The people of Wales know that Plaid Cymru is the only party that will always stand up for Wales. They also appreciate that we have a credible plan for government when it comes to tackling the waiting lists, when it comes to improving the economy and creating jobs and improving educational standards. But also the people of Wales realise that Plaid Cymru is the only credible party that will be able to form a government by beating reform and making sure that we have a progressive government here in Wales. Now, one of the political leaders will have to be a First Minister. So the question that the people of Wales will be facing on Thursday is, who do they prefer to be their First Minister? Is it Rhun ap Iorwerth or is it Dan Thomas? People don't know who Dan Thomas is. They know that Nigel Farage is actually the leader of the party and that this is only a stepping stone for reform in order to try and get him to becoming a Prime Minister in England in a couple of years' time. We know that this is an election about the issues facing Wales, about improving health services, education services, improving the economy, and Rhun ap Iorwerth is the only credible leader that can improve those things and making sure that we have a coherent policy. That's why people are flocking over to Plaid Cymru.